Considering investing in cryptocurrencies? Then this video is definitely for you. Today we'll talk about how to start investing and choose the right assets for your crypto portfolio. Plus, we'll give some general tips for crypto beginners. Keep watching to learn more. To start investing, you first need to choose the market, select the tools, draw up a plan, and define a strategy. Simply put, you need to know the why, for how long, and how much you're willing to invest. How to choose coins for a crypto portfolio. To beginning crypto enthusiasts, it's always recommended to focus on long-term investment options because these kind of investment options show always a trend for growth. In the long-term investment options, analysts usually recommend to pay close attention to the top 10 list by market capitalization. The coins of these projects will generate high revenue in the long term. The crypto assets of these kinds do have a solid foundation, a proven history, and a high popularity. In addition to the portfolio from top 10 crypto coin list, consider adding coins of projects with medium capitalization. For example, those that take places between 10 to 30 in the coin list. These crypto assets will increase the potential of your portfolio due to a chance of short and medium-term growth. The split of coins in the portfolio between the two types of assets looks like this. 2/3 of coins are from top 10 capitalization lists, whilst remaining 1/3 are coins from projects with medium capitalization. Then you need to keep an eye on the crypto market. This market is never chaotic and the price movements always follow the trend. Before you start adding crypto assets to your portfolio, you should do research on market trends, learn to identify them, and make a decision about buying or selling based on the current trend. Because the main task of an investor is to buy lower and sell higher. There are 3 types of trending movements. Upward. Coin prices go up and update the maximum values. Downward. Coin prices go down and update the minimum values. Flat market. There is no pronounced downward or upward direction. The end of the downtrend and the transition to the uptrend is a perfect time for buying crypto. Accordingly, when moving from the uptrend to the downtrend is the best time to fix the profit. And finally, here are some points for a newbie beginning to comprehend the crypto world. Study trend movements and reversal formations. You can refer to Dow theory or Elliott wave theory. Do not invest the entire amount in one crypto asset. Almost independently select coins for the portfolio after doing your own research. Make decisions on buying and selling with a cold mind and emotionless. Do not try to catch the last train. We remind you that this video is provided for educational purposes only and does not provide any investment advice. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.